hotel procedures including check-in reservations, walk-in reservation, telephone reservation, and check-out procedures. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Swiss Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to check in, please.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, it's under Mikaela Tubayan, luxury room for 3 days and 2 nights.
Do you have your booking confirmation, ma'am?
Yes, here, please.
Okay. It will be just 1 minute, please. May I request for your identification card, please?
Okay.
Thank you for patiently waiting. This is your identification card, ma'am. Upon checking on our system, there is a confirmed booking under the name of Ms. Micaela Tibayan for 3 days and 2 nights, costing with an amount of 5,000 pesos per night in a luxury room with a view of the Al Lake. You deposited your advance payment on our video account, ma'am. Are you going to pay your bill now, ma'am, or at the time of departure?
At the time of the country.
Okay, ma'am? So this is your key card to access your room. Do you need any assistance with your luggage?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. You're very welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your stay and let us know if you need any assistance with anything you have. Have a great day. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Swiss Hotel. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I would like to check in.
Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
No, I don't have. Do you have an available room for 3 days and 2 nights?
Yes, ma'am. I'll inform you with the rooms we offer. So we have a deluxe room with a balcony and a sunset view costing 3,500 per night. And we also have our luxury room with a bigger balcony, mini bar, and a sunset view that will cost 5,000 pesos per night.
I would like to get the deluxe room, please.
Okay, ma'am. How many persons will be staying?
4
Do you have any special requests during your stay, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your identification card that you have?
Sure, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Please fill this registration form while I'm processing your accommodation. Here it is. Thank you. May I know what mode of payment do you prefer? Do you prefer by cash or by credit card?
By cash.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to complete your payment or do a deposit?
Complete payment.
Sure, ma'am. So, our deluxe room is 3,500 pesos per night. Since you will be staying for 2 nights, your total will be 7,000 pesos, ma'am.
Here it is.
Thank you. This is your key card, ma'am. Your room number will be A002, located at the 7th floor. You may take the elevator to your left, and our bellman will assist you to your room. You're welcome, ma'am. If there is anything else we can assist you, please don't hesitate to call the front desk, ma'am. By the way, I'm Kat. I'm very glad to be of service. Thank you for choosing our hotel and enjoy your stay with us. Have a pleasant day.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Swiss Hotel. This is Micaela. How may I assist you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservation for 2, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name first?
Sure. I'm Catherine J. Benson.
Your email account and contact number, ma'am?
My email account is catbenson@gmail.com. My contact number is 0912-10-33001.
And also your date of arrival and departure and how many guests will be staying?
I will be arriving at May 10, 2025, 3 in the afternoon until May 12, 2025. I'll be staying for 3 days and 2 nights for two.
Okay, ma'am. I will just check our system if there's an available room.
Okay, sure.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Upon checking our system, we still have a deluxe room which costs 3,500 per night and a standard room which costs 1,500 per night.
I think I would love to have the deluxe room, please.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any additional requests?
I want my room to be non-smoking with a balcony and a sunset view.
Okay, ma'am. Anything for you. I will just repeat your information now. Your name is Catherine Joy Belson. You deserve a deluxe room, a non-smoking room with a balcony and sunset view for 3 days and 2 nights. That costs 3,500 per night for 2 people.
Yes, all the informations are correct.
Okay, ma'am. Your reservation number is 23456. And please deposit your advance payment on RBD account that will be sent to your email account. If you have any follow-up question, feel free to email us at swisshotel@yahoo.com and we'll promise to answer you right away. Thank you for choosing Swiss Hotel, ma'am. Have a great day. Good morning, ma'am. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I will be checking out.
Okay, ma'am. May I confirm your name and room number, please?
I am Catherine Joy Benson, A0027.
Allow me to prepare your bill, Miss Benson. So, how's your stay?
Oh, I have a great experience for a first timer, and the room is also so relaxing and comfortable.
Good to hear that, ma'am. Thank you for your appreciation.
And also, I want the same room the next time I visit.
I will take a note of that, ma'am. So, your remaining bill will be 2,500, ma'am. Would you like to pay in cash or by credit card?
Cash, please.
No problem, ma'am. Also, can I ask for the figure, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. You are clear to check out, ma'am. Thank you for visiting Swiss Hotel. Have a great day. Thank you.
We hope you learned something from this video. I'm Catherine J. Benson Yebra.
I'm Micaela Tibayan.
Thank you for watching!
Hello, good morning, ma'am, sir. Thank you for calling Swiss Montefelco Hotel. This is Micaela. This is Micaela. How may I help you?
Blue.
This is Micaela. How was your stay?
I'm so stay.
Or at the...
Or at the are you going to pay your bill? Are you going to pay your bill? Are you going to pay your bill now, ma'am, or at the time of departure? Ang hirap! The check-in reservation.
The telephone reservation and check-out.
Yee!